Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, open settings and enable notifications for the app, then disable battery optimization so Android won't kill it. Once done, allow auto start or background activity for that app. This prevents the system from stopping notification services. Make sure you reboot after changing these settings so services restart cleanly. You should also check app permissions for alerts and lock the app in recent apps. These steps stop immediate interruptions caused by aggressive power management. Next, you handle deeper causes. Clear the app cache and, if needed, data to remove corrupted state that blocks notifications. Then update Huawei mobile services and the app through App Gallery to ensure compatibility with MIUI push systems. Make sure VPNs and Do Not Disturb are off while diagnosing, because they can silently suppress alerts. Also adjust notification categories and set high priority where available. This forces the system to present banners and sounds instead of batching or hiding them. To finish, reset app preferences or network settings to undo hidden misconfigurations, then test notifications. If problems remain, install any pending MIUI or system updates because push frameworks are frequently fixed at the OS level. After updating, reboot and retest. If still failing, try signing into the app on another Huawei device or account to isolate server versus device issues. Troubleshooting tip: avoid immediate factory reset. First test on a secondary device or backup and try a select.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.